Hey everybody, in this video we're going to show you how to download an app onto your Sony 2018 TV. For this video we are using the X900F, and the first thing you're going to want to do though is make sure you have a Google account already established. So you do need that to be able to download apps onto this TV. It is an Android based TV. So what you're going to want to do is hit the apps button on the remote control. It's just to the top right of the directional pad. And it's going to bring up this screen here. Now you've got all sorts of options here. Along the left-hand side, there's different categories. And then on the right-hand side are all the apps that are available to download. So you can see here, there's a number of apps. There are some that are going to come preloaded onto the TV. If they are already preloaded, you're going to see something at the bottom here, like on Vudu, it already says installed. So that's one that comes already installed on your TV. So let's say we want to download the Newsy app. We'll hit our arrows over to get to that, and then hit the center button on the directional pad. And then from here, if you're not already signed into your Google account on the TV, it's going to tell you to sign into your account, and that's why you need an account set up. So we're going to use our phone or laptop, so we'll just hit the center button on the directional pad. And then we're going to go to androidtv.com/set. And then you're going to enter the code that's on the TV. Once you're on that androidtv.com/setup, you're going to enter the code that comes up on the screen here. And it's going to bring up a list on your device. So if you're doing this on a computer, it'll bring up a list of your Google accounts to choose from. So we'll choose one of ours here. And then it's going to ask you to sign in on your device. So you sign in. And then once everything is completed on your computer or on your phone, you're going to see this screen that says success, as you have successfully signed into your account. Now from here, it's going to go onto the next screen, and then your device will also say you're now signed in on your TV. Now from here, we're going to want to go to accept for the play terms of service so that we can actually perform the download. It is unfortunately sort of a long process the first time you do it, but once you're logged in, you shouldn't have to do this again unless you reset your TV or sign out of your Google account. So here, now on this screen, we're going to have some options: install, full description, add to wish list, flag as inappropriate. So we want to install this, and install is going to be the first thing highlighted. So we're going to hit our center button on our directional pad again, and that now is going to go through the install process of putting this app onto the TV. And we'll give it a minute here. Sometimes the time to download is going to vary based on your network speed. So this will take just a moment here while it downloads. And then once it's done downloading, it's going to give us more options to choose from here. And now it's installing. And now once it's done installing, we've got open, uninstall, full description, and again, flag as inappropriate. So here we want to open, let's say. So we can go to open, click on the center button in the directional pad, and it's going to open the app. Now, if you didn't want to open it, if you just wanted to download it and then go back to what you were doing, you can hit the home button again to go back to your... Hi, Lauren. So now we can hit home and go back to our home screen here. And now from here, you can see we downloaded the app, and now it is in our featured apps category. So that's kind of a simplified version of how to download an app onto the Sony TVs for 2018. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to have more instructional videos available for you as well.